Hi, today is the 22nd of December. Let's again go back to our analysis of Amazon, which we have been doing very regularly just as an educational activity. This was the chart we had published, and this was the video we had done on 25th of October, where we had mentioned how a top was formed in Amazon with a head and shoulder, a break of the neckline, of the trend line, the retest of the trend line, and then a fall and the imminent break of the 200-day moving average. So this was the first analysis that Amazon had indeed topped, and at that time Amazon was just below $1,700. Then this was the analysis published on the 19th of November, a month down the line, where we saw Amazon crash down all the way to 1450, and then an ABC counter trend rise for wave 2, and renewed selling started in wave 3. Now what is the position a month down the line? So now what we see, that this was the fall which we had initially thought was wave 3 down, was not exactly wave 3, but it was wave B of 2, and then there was wave C of 2 to complete wave 2. So there should be at least 3 waves to complete a correction, and that's what happened in Amazon, with wave 2 finishing again around 1800 levels, and then big selling has started again for wave 3 down. So now initially our targets to the downside were 1218 and 865. Now does this in any way alter those targets? Let us see. So as of now, the first target still remains at 1200, and the ideal target again comes to 845. So that is the update on Amazon, and let us see how this stock fares in the near future. If our wave count is right, we will see big selling with intensified momentum all the way to 1200, and finally over a period of a couple of months to almost 850. So that is the update on Amazon. I hope that helps. Please feel free to share this video with your friends on your Facebook or Twitter accounts if you so choose to. Thank you. Bye bye.